Hare Krishna, Om Surabhyaya Namaha. My name is Sri Krishna Purushottam Das. Right now I am talking in Sri Surabhi Gokshetra. This is a Goshala we started just on Nachinga Jayanti day, like after Nachinga Jayanti day. So we have 3 cows and small 4 calves. You can see behind me, and 1 cow is coming. It's on the way, so it's in the transit right now. So this property is 17 acres left to my side, and then this pastured land. The cows will go graze in the pasture land, and they come back in the evening. So right now we are working with them. They are very new to this property. This all started by the inspiration of His Holiness Bhakti Raghav Swami Maharaj. Maharaj inspired us to do this project, and in Silicon Valley, in the heart of the Silicon Valley, this property is in Pleasanton. Inside the Goshala, we put all the things needed. We have 3 types of hays for the cows. One is the Timurti, Alpha, and also they have natural grazing. The cows' main dharma is to graze, so we are just working out to graze them on the pasture. Once the cows come inside, they have their own stalls, and night time they go and take the rest in the stalls. And we put the licking Himalaya salt, a mineral salt, for them to lick when they have when they eat the hay here. And once the cows are inside, we want to train them in the bull pen here. You see behind me, all the cows are grazing. So when they doesn't go on the pasture land, they'll be here. They'll be having grass. And then we thought about a lot of things to make them comfortable, how they sit. And you see behind me, we got the rubber mats. Underneath of these rubber mats, we have a drain rock. So the water, the cow urine, whatever it is, it just goes out of to the fields here. One of the 4th wave of Srila Prabhupada mission is to have the cow protection, cow protection and Varnashram Dharma. So the cow protection is very key. Gavo Vishwasya Mataraha, cow is our universal mother. Actually we won't protect the cow, cow will protect us. So cows will protect us. This project we are envisioning to have the educational for the kids, the children, how the Desi cows looks, how the cows, our heritage. We are always with the cows. And if we say our vision is to educate people, that's why we are working on this bullpen, and have the cows come in, kids can come in and play with the cows. And so our main aim to have the sustainable farming using the cow dung, the manure. We can do some little plantation here, the vegetation, and the people come in the weekend, spend with the cows, and it's a preaching. Whatever we are reading in the books, we are to implementing by having this program here. Please come in the weekends. You can see on our website bayareacows.com or srisurabhi.us. So we'll be posting the timings. Please come and take association of this holy beings here. We are requesting everybody, all the community, to welcome to our Sri Surabhi Gokshetra. Thank you. Hare Krishna.